In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on how to transfer USDT from your Bitget wallet to your Binance account. Launch the Bitget app, navigate to the wallet section and scroll down to see your list of tokens. Locate USDT from the list. You'll notice each USDT option has a small icon representing its network. Select the USDT that corresponds to the network you are using, such as Tone for this example. After selecting the appropriate USDT, in this case the Tone network, you'll be taken to the overview page. Click on the Send button. Bitget will prompt you to enter the address where you want to send your USDT. Now, minimize the Bitget app and open the Binance app. Head to the wallet section and open Spot. Find USDT in your balance and click on it. Tap on Deposit and choose the Tone network, matching the one you're using in Bitget. You will see a deposit address and a memo provided by Binance. Return to the Bitget app and paste the Binance address into the recipient address field. Copy and paste the memo as well if required. Ensure that both the network and address match the Tone network. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send and confirm transaction. You'll be asked to authenticate and verify your transaction using your passcode or security details. Once you confirm the transaction, Bitget will process the transfer. That's how you can successfully transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance.